everyone, this is Ravneet Gandok, energy healer and a life coach. Today, let's talk about what is fear. Technically, we categorize fear as unreal. But if you have any kind of fear in your life, it does exist. It is a part of your life. Now, how do we step up? How do we move on and heal that fear? Healing this fear is very important because once you start healing your fear, you will automatically see the outcome of it. How do we go about it? First, we need to analyze, we need to acknowledge, we need to see what is the fear of. Is it for your love life? Is it for your profession? Is it for your appearance? What is it? At what step of the life you feel most scared or most fearful? First is this, right? Now, once we acknowledge or once we understand that yes, right, I have this fear and I am ready to heal that. Now, the next step is going back to the time from where that fear is coming from. Is it from your teenage or from your childhood? Or if we go even back, then is it your past life? Now, where is that fear coming from? We need to work on that. So for example, now like small children, when we put them to sleep, we just do little tuck tuck that someone has come, a monster has come, and go off to sleep. So the child gets the message that the monsters are there and they can harm us, so that we should sleep on time. So this is the way the fear is implanted in us without any negative intention of anyone, but because of the surroundings and environments. This is the fear we go through. We catch that fear, right? So now, after understanding that yes, that was the time, for example, you were bullied in college, right? You were ragged badly. So from that point, we pick up what was the point, what was the first second where you were bullied, right? So we pick up that and we start going towards that and we heal that area, right? That fear can harm your personal life, your professional life, your financial life, all the areas, your physical health. So we work on that and then we move ahead in life, because once we are healed the fears step by step, one or second or third, and then we move on in life, of course all the areas start healing, and then we move ahead and we grow further in life. This is how we heal our fear. It is a step by step procedure, and this is one procedure. So you can do that sitting at home, looking at your soul, looking at yourself, talking to yourself. These are just very small methods of doing it. Go back and do that, please. Thank you so much. Bye bye.